How to book hotel on MakeMyTrip. In order to book hotel on MakeMyTrip, what you need is here, you simply want to go ahead and open the MakeMyTrip app on your device, after which you just want to make sure to go ahead and select hotels from the top of the page. There you want to select where you want to select the destinations, after which you want to select how many days and your check-in and check-out date as well, and room as well, and whether it's a holiday. You also have to mention in the purpose of the stay. And once you're done, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select the search, and you will be able to see list of hotels available on MakeMyTrip. And if you like to go ahead and stay for it, you just want to make sure to open that up, and you could simply go ahead and select room at the bottom right corner. You could also see the amount as well. Once you do this, you will be able to see the continue button. Do that, tap onto the continue button as well, and you would start booking in. And that's how you're supposed to book hotel on MakeMyTrip. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.